It's the sound and the fury, not stony silence in Kiwi backblocks, but quiet rustling of ferrets and stoats, the blether of sheep, the blither of wind, road gangs scraping shovels in 2-4 time, bang bang of settlers throwing up a house, diggers back and forth toss screwball yarns, stock whips crack and bullockies curse, a steam train crosses 65 bridges, old guard swan song, hee-haw of Bonassus, while Bob Semple crowed as he rode the land. It seems he failed to catch the royal ear. Magpies caudle, oodle, ardle, wardle, doodle, heard as cat bell and dog whistle remix. Motivating truck drivers ditto that uptick. Bogans cashed up, await gentrification, seeking a personal tutor in NZ Lit. Skim and scam, born by budget jet, arrive from Greece to fleece supermarket flocks. A crusader, caped in silver fern flag, conjures Anne Zachary from an army surplus bag. The gurgle of a politician's liquored voice signs uncashable cheques in front of cameras with the silver plume of a heron feather. White gold pipeline chugging towards town, irrigator stutter sucking the wellbore dry, bring the sound and fury of Moo Moo Land. Hear the hoofbeats of stampeding herds, be last man standing in the rolling mall, and from deep depression in the Tasman Sea, be rescued by blood of the underdone lamb. It's the sound and the fury, 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 the sound and the fury. It's the sound and the fury, the sound and the fury, the sound and the fury, the sound and the fury.